Howdy, it's Frau Walker. I'm sorry I can't come in today. Unfortunately, yesterday at school, I got so dizzy and got very nauseous. So the doctor would like to check me out and make sure that I'm okay. I appreciate you letting me take the day off to go to the doctors and see that everything is okay. I hope to be back next week to see you for the one day that I see you next week before you go off for Veterans Day weekend. Just a couple of quick announcements before you dive into your unit tracker to start lesson two, which would be the on pace for today. Number one, because I'm not there, there's not going to be any mastery checks, okay? But that doesn't mean you can't study for the mastery checks. So that way, when I come back, you can start acing those. The second thing is we will not be doing the parent letter in class today because I'm not there to finish it up with you. And I will send out a parent square so that way the parents know that they won't be expecting those, okay? Depending on how I feel, uh, I may not be able to do grades on Fridays because of my head and being so dizzy and having to stare at a screen for hours on end to do those. So please be patient. And if I can't do those on Friday, I will get those done next week towards the beginning of the week as quick as possible. And also let everybody know on Parent Square about what to expect. Okay? So thank you very much for giving me grace, and I will miss you so much. I'm so sorry I can't be there, but I will see you soon. Okay? Auf Wiedersehen. Tschüss.